So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Microsoft Office is crashing on your computer. For example, any of it, the PowerPoint, the Word file, or the PDF, the spreadsheet, any of it application is crashing on your system. How you can fix that? Just simply open the settings. You can easily find out on the Start menu. Now click on this option of apps right there on this left window. Click on Installed apps, and here you need to find the Microsoft Office on the on your Windows laptop or computer. Now here on the Microsoft Office, you just simply need to click on this option of three dots right there and click on modify. Now here you'll see this option of quick repair. Just simply hit on this and hit on this option of repair. Now what it do, it will take some time and repair the issues on your Microsoft Office, and it will definitely solve your problem. Just right up the after the process, give a restart to your computer and you're good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.